Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this beautiful artificial cherry blossom tree, 6 feet cherry blossom tree that I put together right here in my wife's office because she has a lot of pink stuff and everything, and this looks beautiful. I have to say that it's really, really nice. I'm gonna kind of like show it to you in a closer look in just a little bit. But if you have a place like this one with kind of like natural light and some sunlight or something like that, having a tree like this one, this artificial tree like this one, it will pop up the room. It will look really, really nice. And by the way, you can see that this one just by itself, just with the hanging branches and everything, it looks really nice. It comes also, I'm gonna show that one to you, with a heavy base, with a heavy pot. But if you can, if you want, just add a bigger one and you can put some gravel inside or something like that to make it even heavier. But this one, it is heavy by itself. It's not super kind of like flimsy or something like that. And it comes in 2 pieces that you're gonna put together and that's it. Okay, take a look at this one. Take a look at how the sun is kind of like making this really, really nice, kind of like cozy and cute atmosphere. And then you're gonna find it comes with that long one, and that's kind of like the heavy base that I was telling you before. It's a nice and heavy base, and it comes even with the grass to actually cover it up. This one, it also comes with lights and a remote controller, so you can put the lights, and it even comes with another set of branches that you can put right there in the middle, but I don't think that's necessary. I'm not gonna put any lights in this one because I think it looks better like this, and of course, I'm gonna just leave it like itself, like it is, a really nice kind of like cherry blossom tree. I love how this one looks in my wife's office, I have to say. I may get a second one for just the living room. We love it. It looks fantastic.